Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your earbud SOUNDPEATS Opera05 from your Android phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your earbuds at the device list. And right here at the right side we have a button what's called Disconnect, and we need to tap on it, but before I tap on it I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So, when you select to disconnect your device and you click on it, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your earbuds, but it leaves it at the device list. And if you select to unpair your headphones, it will totally remove your earbuds from your phone. Now let's click on it, and as you can see, I stop Bluetooth connection with it, so it's not connected anymore. But I'm not remove it from the device list. And now if I tap on it, I will reconnect it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!